Stockton Lake is situated 7 kilometres east of the town of Collie. There are 4 main camping areas. The first campsite is on the left as you drive in. The second is along the shore next to the now closed boat ramp. The third is along the right-hand side of the track leading to the boat ramp, and this area in particular is well suited to tents as there's plenty of shade. The final campsite is in the bush near the old underground mine entry. It's likely that there are other sites around the many tracks leading away from the lake, but these 4 main sites have easy access to toilets and bins. What today is known as Stockton Lake started its life as an underground coal mine. The underground mine operated from 1927 to 1960, and an open pit operation commenced in 1943 and continued until 1957. From 1939 to 1941, 4 miners were unfortunately killed due to collapses in the mine. The entrance structure that used to lead to the underground operations is still located in the bush east of the lake. The underground workings are still largely intact, and parts are still connected to the lake. This means that the whole of the underground section has been flooded. We've seen some video online showing divers heading down to explore the old mine shafts, but silt in the mines is very bad, and visibility quickly becomes zero when the silt is disturbed. Diving in such conditions is only for the most experienced and well-prepared divers. Guidelines are an essential element of these dives for divers to find their way out again from the labyrinth of tunnels. Today, Stockton Lake is a major recreation area, just a couple of hours' drive south of Perth. Access to the lake is via the Collie to Darkin Road and Pier Vanini Road. Dogs are allowed at the site, and campfires are permitted in fire rings outside of fireban season. Fire bans may be enacted outside of the normal season, so check for signs advising you of the current status as you drive into the campsite. The site is administered by the Department of Parks and Wildlife. Fees apply for camping, and facilities include toilets and bins. The campsite can become pretty crowded and noisy on weekends and public holidays, as it's very close to large population centres. Although swimming is allowed in the lake, the water is slightly acidic, so it's not recommended to stay in the water for any great length of time. The campsites cannot be booked and are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Water skiing was once popular at the lake, but the boat ramp is now closed due to the collapse of an underwater bank. With the proximity of the excellent water skiing facilities at Lake Weir, it seems unlikely that there will be any move to repair the ramp. Kayaking and canoeing are still a very popular way to enjoy the lake.